Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another English listening practice lesson. Today's topic is very useful for daily English conversations. We are going to talk about family vocabulary and phrases. Family is one of the most common topics in English speaking. Whenever you meet new people, they often ask questions like, "Do you have any brothers or sisters? How many people are there in your family? What does your father do? Are you close to your family?" So if you want to speak English naturally and confidently, you should know how to talk about your family clearly. In this lesson, you will learn simple vocabulary, common phrases, and natural English sentences related to family. Try to listen carefully and repeat the sentences in your mind. Family is very important in everyone's life. Some people live with a big family, while others live with a small family. In English, we usually use the word family to talk about the people who are related to us. For example, my family is very supportive. I love spending time with my family. We are a close family. Now, let's learn some basic family vocabulary. The first and most common words are father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter. You can also say dad instead of father, mom or mother, sibling for brother or sister, parents for mother and father together. Here are some simple examples. My father works in a bank. My mother is a teacher. I have one brother and one sister. My parents are very kind. Now, let's move to extended family vocabulary. Grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousin, nephew, niece. Your grandfather is your father's or mother's father. Your grandmother is your father's or mother's mother. Example, my grandparents live in a village. I visit my grandparents during holidays. An uncle is the brother of your mother or father. An aunt is the sister of your mother or father. Example, my uncle is very funny. My aunt cooks delicious food. A cousin is the child of your uncle or aunt. Example, I play cricket with my cousins. My cousin lives in Delhi. A nephew is your brother's or sister's son. A niece is your brother's or sister's daughter. These words may sound difficult at first, but with practice, they become easy. Now, let's talk about how to introduce your family in English. You can start with simple sentences like, "There are 5 people in my family. I live with my parents. We are a small family. We are a joint family." In many countries, especially in India, joint families are common. A joint family means many family members live together in one house. Example, I live in a joint family with my grandparents, parents, and cousins. If only parents and children live together, it is called a nuclear family. Example, we are a nuclear family. Now, let's learn some common questions people ask about family. How many members are there in your family? Do you have any siblings? What does your father do? Who are you closest to in your family? Do you live with your parents? Are you married? Do you have children? These questions are very common in conversations, interviews, and speaking tests. Here are some example answers. There are 6 members in my family. Yes, I have 2 siblings. My father runs a small business. I am closest to my mother. Yes, I live with my parents. No, I am not married yet. Now, let's learn how to describe family members. You can describe their personality, habits, or appearance. For example, my father is hardworking. My mother is caring and loving. My brother is very friendly. My sister is intelligent. My grandmother is patient. My grandfather is wise. Useful personality words: kind, helpful, funny, strict, polite, honest, calm, friendly, smart, hardworking. Now, use these words in sentences. My mother is very caring and supportive. My father is strict but loving. My brother is funny and energetic. My sister is smart and hardworking. When talking about appearance, you can say, my brother is tall. My sister has long hair. My father wears glasses. My mother has a beautiful smile. These simple descriptions make your English sound more natural. Now, let's learn phrases related to family relationships. We are very close. My family supports me. I spend a lot of time with my family. We enjoy family dinners together. I share everything with my sister. My parents always encourage me. Here are more natural English phrases. Family comes first. We take care of each other. My parents mean everything to me. I have a strong bond with my brother. My family stands by me during difficult times. These phrases are useful in speaking and writing. Now, let's talk about daily family activities. Families often spend time together in different ways. For example, we watch movies together, we eat dinner together, we go shopping on weekends, we visit relatives during festivals. My mother helps me with studies. My father gives me advice. Talking about routines is also important in English conversations. Example, every Sunday, we have lunch together. My parents wake up early. My brother goes to college. My sister loves listening to music. Now, let's learn how to talk about family celebrations. Families celebrate many special occasions together. For example, birthdays, weddings, festivals, anniversaries. You can say, we celebrate birthdays together. My family loves celebrating festivals. We decorate our house during Diwali. We invite relatives to family functions. During celebrations, people usually spend quality time together. Example, we enjoy cooking together during festivals. All my cousins come to our house during holidays. Now, let's learn some emotional expressions related to family. Sometimes we want to express love, gratitude, or emotions. You can say, I love my family very much. I am grateful for my parents. My family always supports me. I feel safe with my family. My parents sacrificed a lot for me. These sentences are simple but meaningful. You can also say, my mother inspires me. My father motivates me to work hard. My grandparents teach me important values. Now, let's practice a short self-introduction about family. Hello, my name is Rahul. There are 4 members in my family: my parents, my younger sister, and me. My father is a businessman, and my mother is a homemaker. My sister is a student. We are a close and happy family. We enjoy spending time together, especially during weekends and festivals. This is a simple and natural introduction. You can create your own version by changing the details. Now, let's learn some advanced but easy family phrases. Run in the family. This means something is common in your family. Example, musical talent runs in my family. Good cooking runs in our family. Look after. This means to take care of someone. Example, I look after my grandparents. My mother looks after the whole family. Get along with. This means to have a good relationship. Example, I get along well with my brother. She gets along with everyone in the family. Take after. This means to be similar to someone in your family. Example, I take after my father. My sister takes after our mother. These phrases are very common in spoken English. Now, let's talk about family traditions. Every family has different traditions and habits. Example, we eat together every night. We visit our hometown once a year. My family prays together. We celebrate every festival with relatives. Family traditions create strong relationships and beautiful memories. Sometimes families live far away from each other. You can say, my brother lives abroad. My uncle lives in another city. We talk on video calls. I miss my grandparents. In modern life, many people stay connected through technology. Example, we have a family group on WhatsApp. We call each other regularly. Now, let's practice a small conversation. Person 1, how many people are there in your family? Person 2, there are 5 people in my family. Person 1, do you have any siblings? Person 2, yes, I have one elder brother. Person 1, what does he do? Person 2, he works as a software engineer. Person 1, are you close to your family? Person 2, yes, we are very close. This type of conversation is very common in spoken English. Now, let's learn the difference between some important words. Elder and younger. Elder means older. Younger means less old. Example, my elder brother is a doctor. My younger sister is in school. Single child means a child with no siblings. Example, I'm a single child. Relatives means family members outside your immediate family. Example, we visit our relatives during holidays. Now, let's talk about how families help us grow. Families teach us values, manners, and life lessons. Example, my parents taught me honesty. My grandparents taught me respect. My family always motivates me. Family support is very important during difficult times. Example, when I feel sad, my family encourages me. My parents always believe in me. Now, is practice longer English sentences. My mother is the most caring person in my family because she always supports everyone. My father works very hard to give us a comfortable life. I enjoy spending time with my cousins during summer vacations. My grandparents tell interesting stories about their childhood. We may have small arguments sometimes, but we always love each other. These longer sentences improve your fluency. Now, let's learn useful vocabulary for married relationships. Husband, wife, father-in-law, mother-in-law, son-in-law, daughter-in-law. Example, my uncle and aunt have been married for 20 years. My sister and her husband live in Mumbai. These words are useful in daily conversations and movies. Now, let's talk about family responsibilities. Every family member usually has responsibilities. Example, my father earns money for the family. My mother manages the house. My brother helps with shopping. I help my parents with household work. Useful phrases. Do household chores. Take responsibility. Help around the house. Example, I help around the house every day. We share responsibilities in our family. Now, let's discuss family memories. Everyone has beautiful memories with family. Example, I remember family trips from my childhood. We used to play games together. My grandmother made delicious food for us. Talking about memories is a great way to improve spoken English. You can use past tense sentences like, we visited our village every summer. My father taught me how to ride a bicycle. My mother helped me with homework. Now, let's learn some common mistakes. Wrong. There are 4 peoples in my family. Correct. There are 4 people in my family. Wrong. My father is doing business. Correct. My father runs a business. Wrong. I have 2 cousins. Correct. I have 2 cousins. These small corrections can make your English more natural. Now, let's practice a complete sample paragraph. There are 6 members in my family: my grandparents, my parents, my younger brother, and me. We live together in a peaceful environment. My grandfather is retired, and my grandmother is a homemaker. My father works in a private company, and my mother takes care of the family. My younger brother is a student. We are very close to each other and always support one another. We enjoy celebrating festivals, watching movies, and eating dinner together. I feel lucky to have such a loving family. You can practice this paragraph again and again to improve your English speaking confidence. Family is not only about blood relations. Sometimes friends also become like family. People often say, friends are the family we choose. Good relationships make life happier and more meaningful. Before ending this lesson, let's revise some important family vocabulary. Father, mother, brother, sister, parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousin, nephew, niece, husband, wife, relatives, siblings, and some useful phrases. Get along with, look after, take after, family comes first, strong bond, spend time together, take care of each other. Try to use these words in your daily English practice. Thank you for listening to this English lesson. Practice speaking about your family every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. You can pause this lesson, repeat the sentences, and create your own family introduction in English. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English every single day.